DNA is composed of 4 types of monomers known as nucleotides. Each nucleotide consists of 3 components: a phosphate group, a deoxyribose sugar, and a nitrogenous base. The 4 nitrogenous bases are 1. Adenine, A. 2. Thymine, P. 3. Cytosine, C. 4. Guanine. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the hereditary material in all living organisms and many viruses. It carries the genetic instructions used in growth, development, functioning, and reproduction. DNA is structured as a double helix, consisting of 2 strands that coil around each other, with each strand made up of a sequence of nucleotides. A purine base that pairs with thymine. 2. Thymine. P. A pyrimidine base that pairs with adenine. 3. Cytosine. C. A pyrimidine base that pairs with guanine. 4. Guanine. P. A purine base that pairs with cytosine. These nucleotides are linked together in a specific sequence, and the order of these bases encodes genetic information. The control center of the cell that contains the cell's genetic material, DNA. It is surrounded by a nuclear envelope and contains nucleoli, where ribosomal RNA is produced. 3. Cytoplasm. The gel-like substance within the cell membrane that houses organelles and is the site of many metabolic processes. 4. Mitochondria. Known as the powerhouse of the cell, mitochondria generate ATP through cellular respiration and have their own DNA. 5. Endoplasmic reticulum are a network of membranes involved in protein and lipid synthesis. Start quiz challenge. The timer begins when you press start. Which organelle is responsible for energy production in animal cells? Hello. Let's start with a simple question about animal cells. Easy question. What is the primary function of the nucleus in an animal cell?
The primary function is to store and protect the genetic materials inside the DNA.
Great job. Let's move on to a slightly more challenging question. Intermediate question. Can you explain the role of mitochondria in animal cell? Yes, and why they are often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell?
I believe the role of the mitochondria is to provide the materials, the energy materials for the adenosine triphosphate process.
You're on the right track. Mitochondria indeed play a crucial role in energy production. Thank you for participating in this assessment. Your understanding of animal cell and related processes is impressive. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Have a great day. Start Jeopardy challenge. These small structures are the sites of protein synthesis, translating genetic information into proteins.
Ribosomes.
This molecule, found in the nucleus, carries the genetic instructions used in the growth, development, and functioning of all living organisms.
DNA.
This series of events leads to cell division and duplication, crucial for growth and repair in animal cells.
Cell cycle.
This process involves the conversion of genetic information from DNA to functional products like proteins.
Gene expression.
In animal cells, this organelle is known as the control center, housing the cell's genetic material.
Nucleus.
These organisms, such as mice and fruit flies, are extensively used in research to understand biological processes.
Model organisms.
This is your overview chart and your score is final score, 54%.